There's a legend of a famous matador who went to meet El Toro, for he fought as never done before. He could not beat El Toro. The bull El Toro got him defeat and pain, and to his sorrow the matador knew shame. There's a time we'll never heal too many scars, bowed by the great El Toro, and the bitterness that burned deep in his heart caused him to hate El Toro. The bull El Toro got him defeat and pain, and to his sorrow the matador knew shame. So one night, when no one was on side, the matador went to finish the score. In the lonely fields, beneath the pale moonlight, he fought the bull, and they fought once more. When they found the matador and saw him die, he'd never see tomorrow. Now they say that one spot where he was lying still was the proud El Toro. The bull El Toro